Ladies and gentlemen, Paul with Livlfe Van. Gonna focus on this lighting for this video. If you saw me in some of the other videos talking about what other van builders are doing for lighting, they're using those cheap puck light systems that you buy on that famous website. Well, take a look what we've done. We have used this gorgeous strip LED lighting, and there's our dimmer over there. We'll come to that in a moment, but this lighting is used in commercial settings. It's in the Uber building. It is in Saks Fifth Avenue. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is a German product and it is spectacular. That strip in the middle that you see there, when the door opens, that strip comes on. So really, really cool. We went with a soft white and it's really, really beautiful. Take a look. Here's our dimmer right here, and we'll just get a little silence. There's no hum on there. People have a problem with dimmers. They try to put a 110 volt dimmer on a 12 volt circuit, AC/DC. No, that does not work. This dimmer is specific. Take a look. So it's got this cool feature. It's kind of a slow off and then a slow back on. And of course we could dim it as it comes down. And there's a lot of light coming through there, but trust me, those lights are really super dim. And whatever position we leave it on, when we turn that dimmer off and then we turn it back on, it stays at that same brightness. So something we're really proud of. It actually came together even better than we thought. We had to make sure we managed the curve of the van ceiling, and sure enough, we did. So something we're real proud of, these gorgeous LED strip lights. Nobody else is using them, and we absolutely love it. As always, God bless.